To be honest, I start my business since high school, and then you can also see that I'm not that free because as normally in Hong Kong, as you are high school students, you might need to go to the public exam, so not much time for you to do works. So I just like 1 month, one event, and I just got a couple bucks or a couple hundreds, and then I'm so happy, to be honest. I'm so relieved because I just share my dreams and playing some games, and then I got my money. However, I would consider this part is like a chaos, the time of chaos, the periods of chaos, or you can say internal, because it's not actually making a lot of money. Basically, every time is $0. So of course I'm studying, but I'm also confusing. I'm confusing, is it wise for me to do or to start a business, or I just finish my study and get a job? So afterwards, I prepare for next stage, which means the learning stage. I met a lot of teachers, I met other people, and then we also organize some events, and then sometimes it's got a few hundreds, sometimes it got a few thousands. But the part is, I am trying my best to do business, and then however my family or my friends is not really supportive, and then they also ask me that how much you're gonna earn, and then when will be the time that you get rich, when will be the time that you can take in charge for the family financial status. So that is so breaking me down, and then the more breaking my heart or breaking my own life should be the pandemics or the COVID-19. By that moment of time, I cannot even launch any offline events, offline training, or even what, I cannot do anything. So I just changed to online. So that is the part that I do the first transformations or breakthrough. I start reaching out a lot of people, and then through online, and then start lots of courses through online as well. So back in the day, it's quite good. It still have few thousands, but not much. But maybe one at a time, then I can get 1 to 20 thousands or something. So that is not bad, but not good. So and then after a while, I keep on going, keep growing, and now it's constantly I got 5 figures income. And then after I also see that what changed that I have been from the $0 to now on is like, I know what it's like for doing a business, to set a system, to set up all the works, to do the sales marketing, to do the course delivery or the contents delivery. But it's not enough. I need to go to a 6-figure, because that moment of time, 5-figure is not big enough, it's not strong enough for me to maybe to deal with all the financial issues, or to deal with all the works, to let people know that I'll be able to chase their dreams, and I'll be able to help you to chase the dreams. So I need to be another transformation. So that is what I've been foreseeing for the few years afterwards in the future. Each time you get transformation, each time you get a difference yourself, and this is how success works. That's what I believe in.